Hi there, welcome to another customer story. Today I'll be talking about Aerial Vehicle Safety Solutions, otherwise known as AVSS, and how Javelin quickly manufactured parts for the drone safety systems. As drones become increasingly popular across industries as diverse as energy production, law enforcement, and package delivery, parachute recovery systems are essential for reducing risk and downtime related to future failure. A PRS system, or a parachute recovery system, is mandatory for flights over people and/or out of the operator's sight. AVSS is a Canadian aerospace company located in New Brunswick that developed a parachute recovery system for commercial drones to ensure a safe adoption of urban air mobility technologies. AVSS relies on additive manufacturing for their parachute recovery system for commercial drones. Their demonstration unit must be extremely close to the end product. The variety of 3D printing technologies that are offered by Javelin are the best you can get for producing different components for their assemblies. Developing safety equipment requires lots of testing and breaking of parts, so new iterations must be produced quickly to keep product development on track. They integrated additive manufacturing heavily into their product conceptualization, development, and marketing. They collaborated closely with the professional services team at Javelin, working out of the Advanced Manufacturing Center in Oakville, Ontario. Growth in the 3D printing world is fueled by many things, one of them being broad machine innovation, another being expanded material development. There is also an increase of applications such as manufacturing aids, forming tools, end-use parts, functional prototypes, and concept modeling. With the growth in additive manufacturing, there are printers that are capable of printing hundreds of thousands of parts per year. There are other manufacturing challenges that the printers have overcome in the recent years, such as pressure to do more, faster, and better, increased margins, improved quality, reduced production errors, and more. AVS CEO Josh Ogden said, "We can make small replacement parts ourselves, but we need more robust capabilities when making a demonstration unit. The unit from Javelin is 95% the real deal." The material capabilities of the PolyJet process are well suited for rapidly producing and testing complex functional prototypes for different components. PolyJet's materials are used to make prototypes of parts that will be produced in silicon during manufacturing. Components can be made in several different shore values, so different levels of hardness and elasticity can be tested. Colors available when using PolyJet allow for true representation of final production housings and other components that will be injection molded, making PolyJet well suited for concept modeling and demonstration units. Our professional services team also uses FDM and MJF when necessary. MJF was used to produce components for the functional prototypes that AVSS sends for third-party testing, replicating the final product that will be manufactured using injection molding. Josh said he appreciates Javelin's attention to making quality parts. They don't just hit the print button and ship whatever comes out. Once or twice, they weren't happy with the print and asked us if they could tweak the design a bit. I appreciated that feedback. They're committed to meeting our expectations through proactive quality control. Their first PRS system is compatible with DJI drones. Their system is the first to be validated as compliant with the ASTM international standards for small UAS parachutes. They continue to use Javelin's additive manufacturing services to complete commercialization activities. To learn more about AVSS, visit avss.co. To learn more about our additive manufacturing and our professional services, I'll insert the link at the end of this video and in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.